Morning guys, it is 9:15. I got up at like 6:30, showered and washed my hair. I've edited my vlog. I just finished wrapping my mum's presents, which look cute. And now I've got to put products in my hair now that it's not dripping wet because it doesn't absorb as well. So I'm going to put some products in my hair and then begin to decorate and like hoover, stuff like that for the party, for my mum's birthday. I have a feeling that I won't have time to vlog that much today because I've just got so much to do, but then again, you never know. I've actually vlogged more content this week than I thought I would have done. I'm really surprised that I've been like getting 20-minute vlogs, to be honest, but yeah, I'm gonna start getting on with what I gotta do. Okay, it's now 12 o'clock. I just had to stop for like an hour because my auntie came round and we had a cuppa and a chat. I've seen a lot of my family this week. But now I need to get back into decorating as I've barely done anything. All I've done is put this up. I'm not sure if that's going to stay there though. It looks kind of bare. I've blown up like 4 balloons and I have put this up as well, which I wish the painting wasn't there because it kind of distracts from it, but hey ho, I can't really move a painting just for a birthday. My mum's present from my dad came, so I texted him and said, do you want me to wrap it up? And he said, yes, please. So I've just wrapped that up as well. My mummy is going to be such a lucky mummy. What else have I done? I've started putting up a few balloons, but I'm not going to put up loads because I'm just so scared that they're going to deflate. So I'll just do more on Saturday. I have added this happy 50th birthday banner to the tassel thing. I kind of wish it was sitting sort of in line with that though, so I might try and fix that in a sec. And I don't know how well you can see because it's a bit backlit, but I've put up these happy birthday inflated balloons as well. So I'm getting there. Oh, and I've put this shiny thing on here. It looks kind of naff, but I don't care. I'm getting there now. I don't have too much left to do, but it's just finding places to put decorations up because obviously I can't put nails in the wall and stuff like that. Like it's got to be, I've got to put things up in safe places. So yes, I'm really hungry though. I know I need to stop for lunch, but I just really want to get finished, so lunch will wait. Here's lunch. I'm going to obviously wrap it up, but I wanted to show you what was in it. We've got avocado, corn fake chicken pieces, please excuse my disgusting nails, onion, tomato, peppers, garlic, pancetta. We've got no food in the house. I'm basically having to use whatever I can find. And I think I'm going to put a bit of mozzarella, grated mozzarella on there as well. And that was lunch with Hannah. Ah. I have been so non-stop with decorating. It is 4:45 and I literally haven't stopped. And I've got another spot coming. That's nice. I'm almost done decorating. I've got like one more thing to put up. That balloon has either deflated or that balloon needs to be replaced for sure. And then when I'm done with that, I need to hoover and tidy and clean and stuff. My parents will be home in about 4 hours, which doesn't sound like a long time, but I know I can get a lot of shit done in 4 hours. I'd like to straighten my hair. I think it's pretty much dry, apart from where I've had it in a ponytail. I feel a little bit damp there. Oh, it's kinky. No, it's a little bit damp up there still. I should probably not have it in a ponytail and let it dry a little bit. Oh, I just had to come and have a little sit down because I've got to untangle this garland thingy because it's super tangled. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, so I've finally just finished decorating and I'll tidy up and hoover and stuff in a sec, but I thought I'd show you the decoration before I lose all the light in the house and all of that. So this will basically be the first thing that people see when they come in, because my front door is just there. So I just put some balloons up and one of those pom-pom things and some fairy lights. I feel like I don't know when less is more, and I just want to put stuff everywhere. So this is what it looks like in here. We have got balloons above the fireplace, some fairy lights on the mantle, and then a tassel-y garland. And then we have got a light box where I've written happy birthday mum. And then we've got a garland up here, and I do have a second one of those like I said earlier, but I was doing this for about 20 minutes and I cannot untangle it, so I'm really annoyed about that. There is something about just looking at a pile of presents that makes me so happy and just so excited, even when they're not for me. Like, this just fills me with so much joy. I'm going to turn these off though because I want them to last. So switch these off. Where's the switch? There's the switch. I'll turn it on later, just before my mum and dad are getting home, just so it can be like a nice thing to come home to. And then I feel like I could have done more, to be honest, but I'm just such a I don't know, I'm very hard on myself all the time. So in the dining room, which isn't the dining room because we don't have a dining room table anymore, we have got me. We've got tassel banner, happy 50th, then we've got happy 60th, and then we've got a 50 and a 60 and 2 other balloons. And then up on the window, we have got 2 pom-poms, and then we've got more pom-poms and such here, and then a couple of balloons hanging on the lamp as well. Obviously the mops won't be here. I might actually mop the floor after I've hoovered. Then over here we have got, this just looks really bad because it's so cluttered and stuff, but this is literally as tidy as we could get this room. So I've got a JK and N for my mum's name, my uncle's name, my cousin's name, some fairy lights which go all the way up here, and some pom-poms up here. And then we've got the big inflated happy birthdays. Then we've got the same banners as before with happy 60th birthday, happy 50th birthday, and then we've got the happy birthday banners, and then the table. It's actually ridiculous that that took me all day. Well, I know it's not all day because the day is still going, but it's just insane to me, really. Better turn those fairy lights off. And yeah, my work is still not done. I've still got tidying and cleaning to do. My mum is just waiting to board the, well, my mum and dad are just waiting to board the Eurostar. And I will be seeing them later. Right, I'm gonna crack on so that I can try and have a bit of a sit down at some point. It's 7:15 and I just got out of the bath. I feel really oh, now I'm so hungry. I've barely eaten anything today, really. So I'm gonna do my dinner now, I think. I can't be bothered to straighten my hair. I'm just gonna leave it up. It'd be nicer to sleep with it up anyway, so that's what I'll do. So I'm just gonna put a ready meal in the microwave and have a sit down. Oh, I do need to, I mopped the floor earlier. I need to tip the mop water away. Doesn't sound very fun. It's so nice to have a clean and tidy kitchen. It makes just such a difference to my life. I need to put this floor cleaner away. I'll put it there for the minute. Okay, it's 11 o'clock now, so I'm gonna go to bed. I feel like I haven't vlogged a lot at all today, so if once I've edited all the footage, if it's less than 10 minutes, then I think I'll just combine it with tomorrow, but if it's over 10 minutes then I will upload it on the regular day. I really need to get tucked up into bed because it's so cold. I just can't really be bothered to talk, to be honest. I'll speak to you tomorrow.